Bitcoin's price surged above $45,800 for the first time in over 20 months, marking a positive start to the year. However, negative news about the BTC spot caused a sharp price pullback. However, on-chain data from blockchain analytics platform Glassnode reveals that investors have not completely lost faith in Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez reported that a significant amount of funds flooded back into the sector a day after the market downturn, indicating renewed investor confidence in crypto assets. With this positive shift in sentiment and market condition signals renewed investor confidence in crypto assets following a short period of uncertainty and price correction. JetFinder, a private jet broker based in Toronto, is leading the way in embracing cryptocurrency payments in the aviation industry. With nearly 40% of private jet crypto flights now powered by digital currency, the company is transforming the way people book flights using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Well, the aviation industry has seen a steady rise in the adoption of cryptocurrencies, making it easier for clients to book flights using digital coins. JetFinder, a leading private jet broker, offers round-the-clock access to top-tier jets and accepts major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT as payment for private jet charters. The company recently completed its largest cryptocurrency transaction to date, totaling approximately $750,000 USD for a single flight booking, showcasing JetFinder's leading position in the private aviation market and the increasing acceptance of digital currencies in the luxury travel sector. Microsoft has announced the introduction of an AI key, the most significant change to its keyboards in 3 decades. The key will grant users access to Copilot, Microsoft's AI tool, on new Windows 11 PCs. Microsoft has made a significant investment in OpenAI, which powers Copilot's AI capabilities. In 2023, it will integrate AI into other products such as Microsoft 365 and Bing Search. Rival for several years, Apple has included a Siri button or option on its touch bar in MacBooks. Well, that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.